In Manhattan, a shopper grabs a 3-pack of premium whitening toothpaste. In rural Indonesia, a customer buys a single-use sachet, enough for today. Same brand, same logo, same promise of oral health, but completely different economic realities. Inflation has reshaped consumption worldwide. Households are trading down, pack sizes are shrinking, value is redefining loyalty. And in this new era of affordability, global scale alone is no longer enough. You must engineer value, deliberately. At the center of this balancing act is Colgate-Palmolive, a brand present in more than 200 countries and territories, a daily use essential embedded in billions of routines. Toothpaste may seem simple, but behind every tube lies global raw material sourcing, multi-country manufacturing networks, regulatory compliance across markets, complex route-to-market structures. Colgate benefits from scale, global procurement contracts, centralized R&D, shared brand platforms. But scale introduces rigidity, and rigidity can clash with local affordability pressures. Economic volatility changes behavior. When inflation rises, consumers don't stop brushing their teeth. They adjust how they buy. They choose smaller packs, lower upfront price points, store brands' promotional deals. This is downtrading, and it isn't emotional, it's mathematical. For Colgate, the risk wasn't declining demand, it was losing accessibility. Because in emerging markets, price elasticity is unforgiving. Affordability is not a discount, it is design. Colgate developed what supply chain leaders call affordability engineering. This includes reducing tube material thickness without sacrificing durability, adjusting formula concentration, offering single-use sachets, localizing ingredient sourcing, standardizing core components across SKUs, instead of lowering quality. They optimized cost structure. Small packs reduce entry price. Local production reduces import duties. Regional suppliers shorten lead times. This is structural adaptation, not promotional reaction. In many emerging economies, modern retail penetration is low. Supermarkets are not the dominant channel everywhere. Millions of micro-retailers drive distribution. That requires smaller shipment volumes, higher delivery frequency, flexible credit terms, local warehousing nodes. Colgate adapted its route to market. Hub and spoke systems, partnership with regional distributors, direct store delivery in dense urban centers. Affordability fails if the product isn't physically reachable. Accessibility equals market share. Balancing global scale with local nuance requires visibility. Colgate integrates centralized procurement, regional manufacturing clusters, AI-based demand sensing, local market data feedback, global contracts secure material cost advantage. Local teams adjust pack mix. Global brand stays consistent. Local pricing adapts. This is synchronized decentralization. Value doesn't mean cheap, it means smart. In today's economy, consumers demand value. Retailers demand efficiency. Investors demand resilience. Colgate's advantage is not just brand trust, it is operational elasticity. Because when consumers downtrade, the brands that survive are those engineered to flex without breaking. Colgate-Palmolive did not choose between global scale and local demand. It built a bridge between them. In the era of value-driven consumption, the future belongs to companies that engineer affordability without sacrificing reach. Subscribe to learn more such stories about supply chain legends.